Welcome to another voiceover tutorial, and it's your boy FatherChukwu. And I'm just, doing another tutorial for you guys this time. I got my young boy still in high school. This is my good boy John's little brother. I can't tell you his first and last name for privacy reasons, but start with comb off, takedown. Is a 1.5 because he has coarse hair. And because he has coarse hair, and I was being careful taking his hair down because, some spots of his hair will come off more than the other because coarse hair is just hair that just goes in all which way and directions. So I'm giving him a high taper. I'm starting off my first guideline with my sub trimmers. They're not as sharp as the shape-up trimmers, but I use these to get as less wear and tear on the skin when I'm trying to fade. And I want to start with no guard, open. Of course, that's always how you start off the first guideline. Most simple thing you can do. His waves aren't really waving because he's not really the type to, I don't think, brush his hair like that. He wears a do-rag every time. So his hairline is messed up. Because of do-rag, but it's not because it's just making his hair weak. Then you go 1.5, not 1.5, one guard, open. This is all the guidelines of 1 and 2. Then I went for 1.5, faded the top out so it can blend in with the hair. Because he's going high taper, he's not going medium taper. You guys should really start wearing do-rags like that. Do-rags don't really help you do nothing but lay your hair down. But when you're laying hair down with the waves and stuff like that, there's hair under the waves that's not being brushed and stuff like that. Not breathing. It's zero closed. To break that middle part out, you know what I'm saying, that middle line. Then the 1 close, so you can finish the fade. Easy little finish on the fade. Of course, I keep brushing in. I keep looking at how I'm brushing. My client, so he has, I guess he has a thing about the way he thinks about his hairline. So he thinks his hairline is always crooked. And it's just the shape of his head. Like, the shape of his head is like, it's not a shape, it's just, you know how everybody has face dysmorphia and stuff like that? Well, yeah, it's just severe face dysmorphia, but it's not nothing bad, we all got it. I got a lazy eye and my face scrunches to the left most of the time, but hey, to each his own. Well, yeah, he didn't want me to record the hairline. He didn't, it's not that he didn't want me to. He didn't expect me to record the tutorial based off him with his head shape because I guess he became cooked and stuff like that. Or it's just something that really concerned him. As you seen what I did on the hairline though, I don't take all the hair back because I don't use enhancements to cover my stuff up. I shape up at the closest. It's your baby hair that I can find. Because I believe in preservation. Preserving the hairline. That's what I believe in. I don't really believe in going to the hardest part of the hairline because I personally don't believe it's necessary. That's just the societal standpoint on how the haircut's supposed to be. You can look clean without a hard-ass hairline that's pushed back with all the new growth and stuff exposing itself. And I went over with the razor. I don't go too hard on the razor, but it's just to make all the baby hair sharp so it could be visible. And when my clients leave, they don't have a super bad hairline that's gonna just wash away in one day. You see how I kept that joint nice. Kept that joint nice. There's not gonna be no new growth. And he's in high school, but I might as well just shape up his beard. So just like this though, ladies, This was a good tutorial, but yeah, stop using enhancements. Keep the hairline natural, don't push back. If you want to watch another tutorial, let me know. Subscribe for more. My videos will always be here.